What is up, guys? Today we are going to review the very first truck I was able to get for Mix 11, and it's none other than the BKT Ride Truck. Alright guys, so luckily I was very fortunate enough to find, well not find, but got mailed in 2 BKT Ride Trucks, and this is pretty cool because I have yet to see Mix 11 in stores. I've only seen Mix 10 once, so I don't know what's going on with the whole shipping everything, or whatever you want to call it, but it's been quite the struggle to find any kind of new trucks anywhere, especially in New Jersey. I don't know if you guys are having that problem anywhere else, but it's definitely been a struggle. But yeah, we're going to start reviewing the pieces for Mix 11, and we're going to start off with the Ride Truck because this thing is absolutely sick looking. This is, I believe, the second time that we are seeing the BKT Ride Truck in a diecast form. I'm pretty sure Hot Wheels made an exclusive one. I think it was one for, like, if you went to the event or something like that. Not too sure with that. That's before I really started, well, before I really started kind of collecting as hardcore as I did. I kind of took a break from it for a while, but yeah, I'm glad to see the truck's back. I'm glad to see it's back, and it's also in a ride truck form, which if you guys go to the events, you know there are 2 ride trucks in real life, and the ones usually at the events are the Gravedigger ride truck and the BKT ride truck. So I think it's pretty cool that the first 2 ride trucks that we end up getting for the chase pieces are actually legit ride trucks. And yeah, with that being said, that's pretty cool. But Mix 11, definitely a cool mix. I would think it's a little better. There's definitely some trucks in here that are better than Mix 10. And as you see, I do have 2 ride trucks here. So let's take this one out of the way here to just show off the back of the card. So yeah, Mix 11, definitely a cool mix. This is definitely a mix that I kind of did not see coming. I mean, there's a lot of good trucks in here. Hang on, let me fix the camera real quick for you guys. Alright, so hopefully that's a little better on the camera for you guys. I don't know, it was a little dirty. I don't know how that happened. But yeah, so Mix 11, definitely a strange mix. A lot of weird trucks in this one. So obviously we got the return of the Nitro Neons with Dragon. We got a brand new Spinmaster's own custom design on Batman. And then a brand new, I guess, truck set or series, whatever you guys want to call it, with the Elemental trucks. And then we also have a World Finals Bounty Hunter. And then another brand new set or series, I guess, with Scavenger, which is the Reckless trucks, which are pretty cool. Glad to see Raising Cain. Also another Nitro Neons with Alien Invasion. And then the Legacy truck, which is Soldier Fortune Black Ops, which is, yeah. But yeah, so this is the second ride truck we have seen this year so far, and these things are pretty cool. I really like them. I like the whole idea behind them. And the first ride truck obviously was Gravedigger, which I did only have one and I did open. Have yet to find Mix 10. I've only seen Mix 10 once. It was in Target once and then it was gone like instantly. But with that being said, guys, we're gonna crack open this BKT ride truck, take a closer look at it, and open up my very first truck for Mix 11. So with that being said, let's crack this thing open. Alright guys, here it is, the very first truck that we opened for Mix 11, the Ride Truck BKT. And first off, one thing I'm very intrigued with is the poster on this. As you guys do know by now, all these sets do come with the poster with every truck in their set. And I totally forgot what the truck was on the back of the poster, and it looks like it's Dragon. So if you guys haven't seen Mix 11 yet or haven't seen the poster, it's basically Dragon doing like a wheelie and with the fire coming out, which if you guys ever seen Dragon live, that's a pretty cool thing that it can do. And in the back of the poster, I actually kind of like this year. I really do like the fact that they have, they have the entire mix of that truck on the back of the poster. I think that's a cool little design. So yeah, the only thing I would say on the back of the poster is Blue Thunder, Bounty Hunter's blue kind of looks purplish. So I don't know if that's gonna be like, I don't know if you guys can really see that good, but the blue on the split paint job looks kind of weird. But anyway, that's pretty cool. I think that's really awesome. And then of course you got your wristband right here which I think Gravedigger and like Megalodon, maybe Dragon, I don't know, we'll see. But this one just has the Monster Jam logo, and like Gravedigger and all them actually have the Gravedigger logo and stuff like that. So pretty cool, I guess. And then of course you guys get the little cardboard cutout ramp, which is don't really care much about that. But yeah, moving on to the truck. So I think this is actually the second time we are seeing a BKT ride truck. I'm pretty sure Hot Wheels did make the first one. However, this is now Spinmaster, and I think that one was back in like 2015, 2016. I can't remember for the life of me. But yeah, brand new casting, ride truck chase piece. This thing is going for around $35 to $50 on eBay right now, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, pretty cool looking. I like this truck a lot. So they actually did put the grill printing. They also did put the headlights, and I can't remember if this truck in real life is a Ford F50 or whatever F50 it is. And Spinmaster, I don't think they can legally make a Ford grill and front end. So, I mean, this is pretty close to it, and I like that, and I give them credit for that. And this is also going to be the same casting on the Blue Thunder ride truck, which I think that's the next one. I think it's either Blue Thunder or Megalodon, so that should be interesting as well. I also do like how they put mirrors on the side here. Obviously you can't see them like a mirror on the back, but that would have been cool. But it is like a glossy black, which is pretty cool. And then you got the ride truck itself here with 8 seats in it, which is pretty cool, 4 on each side. And one added touch I really like that they did was they added basically the ladder like you use to like get on the truck. So that's a pretty cool design. And then you also have it where it says bkttires.com, and then on the bottom it does say monsterjam.com. Kind of hard to see, but I do like the added details that they put there, and they also did color in the taillights, which is nice as well. So this truck is obviously on the leaf spring chassis, or the old school chassis if you will. Really cool, really nice design. Now I did go to MetLife Stadium last year, and this truck was one of the ride trucks there. And, you know, seeing it in the diecast form is pretty cool. I like this. I like this ride truck a lot. I honestly did not think we would see a BKT tire truck again. I don't know, it just wasn't something I don't think a lot of us were thinking about. Also, I do like the print. This actually does look like the real life truck. I mean, the grill's a little different, but that's all understandable. But this is pretty cool. I like this. I think Spinmaster really are doing an amazing job with the ride trucks this year. And the fact that they're chase pieces, or I guess the exclusive truck or whatever you want to call it, is pretty cool. So that is the second one. And here's the first one, Gravedigger. So those are both the ride trucks so far this year. Hopefully you guys, if you didn't get Gravedigger already, hopefully you'll find it soon. I have no idea what's going on with Targets, Walmarts. It is pretty crazy. I don't know if it's because of the virus, but a lot of stores have not been getting stuff in, and when they do, it either gets taken 1, 2, 3, or someone who works there basically knows or collects and takes them all. I don't know, I can't explain it, but it's been pretty crazy lately. But I like these ride trucks, and as you can tell, they are longer because of the chassis and the bed and the casting and everything, but I like it. I think it's cool. For the first 2 ride trucks that we're seeing, I'm gonna have to say that Spinmaster has done an amazing job. Also, I do like, now that I'm noticing it, Gravedigger does have a lot more seats in it, and this one obviously only has 8, which is pretty cool. And this is also like a hard plastic too, by the way. So this is like an insert piece, which is cool, and obviously this is all die cast. And this truck does have a black roll cage and chassis, I guess. It has the green rims, BKT printing on the tires, and this is actually a solid, no, this is plastic too. I thought this was die cast, the ladder on the back. But yeah, really cool. I like this. Definitely worth the money here if you can find a good deal. I know someone was saying in the Facebook group they found 2 ride trucks for the price of like $50. Right now that's a really good deal, because just one of these, even Gravedigger, I've seen Gravedigger still up there for around $50, $40 too. if you get both of these for like 50 bucks right now, that's a great deal on eBay. But usually I would not go that route, but with everything that's going on in the world and how these trucks are getting shipped out, I guess, and the stores restocking, it's been quite the struggle. But yeah, definitely a cool truck. And this thing also does have a front bumper. I'm noticing it now. So really, really cool. I love this truck. Definitely one of my favorites. And out of this whole mix of 9 trucks, this probably will be near the top. It's going to be definitely challenging. But with that being said, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys found these trucks. Maybe you got them in a snipe on eBay. If not, don't worry. I want to see these trucks are going to come out soon. I mean, I think their release date was May 25th. I could be wrong on that. But hopefully you guys will find them. If not, you know, you're in the same boat as me, because this pack I'm going to open. The next ones I find, I usually keep and store away. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Awesome truck here. Really cool design. I think Spinmaster's really doing an amazing job this year. Everything has been awesome from Spinmaster. So far, I can't really complain about any truck. You know, they've been really switching it up, bringing out new designs, you know, new things. So they've been really killing it. But I wish 2020 was kind of a better year, just the whole world, you know, everything that's going on. But yeah, with that being said, guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you found these trucks, if you didn't find them. If you live on the West Coast, you probably have a way better chance than anybody on the East Coast. And yeah, so like, subscribe, and tomorrow we're going to review another truck from Mix 11. So I will see you guys tomorrow.